Yes, sir.
Only seven, uh, only 7 students are participating. Only 7 students. Very bad condition. Okay. Okay, dear students. So in page number 156, your topic name is CSS, border properties, style, width or colors. Okay. So all of you know about CSS? Yes or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the use of CSS? Anyone explain about what is the use of CSS? Okay. Okay. I will explain. CSS stands for cascading a style sheet. So it is used for designing the web page. Okay. HTML is for creating the web page, but CSS is used for your web page. If your web page is in designed, then more attractive. Okay. So CSS, in CSS we will get border. So in properties there are properties, breadth properties and color properties. Okay. Okay, dear students.
Yes, sir.
So what do you,
Yes,
if you want to create any web page, then their border properties are there. Borders means boundary, just like. Okay. So CSS border property allowed to you to customize the border around an HTML elements. So it is a shorthand property to set individual border. Shorthand property to set individual border. So single line border, double line border or many triples line, this way border we will create. Style way borders, color borders. Okay, all these things are present in the border property. Any problem?
no,
No,
sir.
Yes. So we will create border properties in 3 way. How many we will create? 3 way means mainly 3 border properties are here. How many border properties? 3 border properties. So first border properties name is border style, second is border color, and third is border breadth. Okay. Yes.
yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
first is the border style. What do you mean by border style? If you want to create border, so in border style properties, your border should be solid, dashed line, or double line, or single line. All these properties present inside the border style properties. Any problem? Border style properties is used for creating the borders, just like creating the solid borders in single line, double line, or triple lines, or dash line also. So this is border style property. Next is border color property. According to border color means if you want to create any border, so after creating, if you want to put their colors, so we will use border color properties. So border color properties creating the border in different color. Then we will use border color properties. Okay. Look, examples also you will look. Here also border properties present.
Not coming clearly.
Sir, your voice is not coming clearly.
Oh, this is the net. Okay. Dear students, so everyone open page number 157. In page 157, borders property given. Yes. Okay. So some borders here in colors, deep black, dot border, double line, double lines here, color border, all are the example of the border. Okay, border properties, examples given.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yes. Friends, in border style property, a lot of effects to create, lot of effects, all halogen. So first is in border style none. What is the meaning of none? None means no border. If you don't want to use none. Solid means single line border. Okay. So if you want to create single line border, then we will use solid. Dotted border. Dotted border means already example seen in 51 and 57 page. So dotted border is used for creating the border in dot forms. So dotted borders, dashed borders series in short short lines. Okay, doubles or double line. Groove is used for curve line. If we want to create curve line border, then we will use groove. Okay. So etc. Many others also examples are given in this. Any problem, dear students here? हेलो, आवाज जा रही है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So border property. So look here one example. So everyone come in page number 15. In first line here given HTML. Given HTML head, title here given inline, title close, HTML close, and here is P style. So P style here given. So style here border breadth, and here values are given. So output also given. Given.
Yes, sir.
Any problem in this topic, students?
No, sir. No, sir.
Kajal,
No, sir.
Ayushman Reddy, हिमांशु, आप लोग रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं कर रहे हैं, इसका मतलब सिर्फ मोबाइल ऑन करके छोड़ दिए हैं ना?
No, sir.
आयुष, तो मैं नाम जब बोलूंगा तो आप लोग रिस्पॉन्ड कीजिएगा. ओके, आयुष आर्यन,
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड. गुड्डू कुमार, गुड. आयुष कुमार,
Yes, sir.
आशीष राज, आयुष रंजन.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so any in this topic?
No, sir.
No, sir.
All of you understood? Okay, good. Next, in
Next,
50, everyone open page number 158. All of you opening?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Here
sir.
given,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Border color property. What is the meaning of border color property? According to the statements here, border color property is allowed to change the border color. If we want to change the border color, then we will use border color properties. Okay, dear students?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So in border color properties, there are four different borders types given here. Border bottom color, border top color, border left color, and border right color. According to the name, border bottom color is using for change the border of the bottom lines. Okay, okay, my dear students.
Yes, sir.
Yes, in example, everyone look second third line here given border. Look here. All of you see. सबको दिखा? Here border bottom color given. Which color?
Yes, sir.
Color name? Border bottom color is blue. Given.
Yes.
Ayush Ranjan.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Look here. Here given border bottom color is blue. So here output also. And look here. Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
From here. Okay. Second. Here is given border top color is red. And next border left color is a sky blue. Left here border color is a sky blue here.
Yes, sir.
And in right side border color is green. So look here green. Okay.
Yes, sir.
सबको समझ में आ
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next topic's name students border with properties. All of you know about length and breadth? No?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
So here is the breadth properties is used for changing the border breadth. If you want to change border breadth in some just like some more breadth, then we will use border breadth properties. More or deep, then we will use border breadth properties. Okay. So it is
Yes, sir.
used for changing the border property. Just like if we want to change the border breadth properties, then we will use border breadth properties. Okay. So in these properties, if we want to change the border breadth in bottom, if in top, in left or right, then same way we will change. Just like border color we are changing now. So same things we will change border breadth. So according to the breadth, we will put the value in px form, pt form, centimeter form, other things. Okay. Okay, dear students.
Yes, sir.
All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Examples also here, okay?
Yes, sir.
Next topic's name is border properties using shorthand. So border properties using shorthand here given, so it is used for changing the border style, border color and border breadth. So in short way we will change the border style, color and breadth, all things. So we will use border properties using shorthand, okay? So here given in examples, head closed. After head, body parts. In body parts are given P style. P style is equal to border. So P style is defining what you want to do. What you want to do. Okay. So here given border. So it means P style is used for changing the border things. Okay. And here is given 5px. 5px means this is the size, this is the breadth of the border, okay? Okay, Kajal.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, here given solid blue means your border color is solid blue, and next shorthand property of the border here given written. So here shorthand properties of border comes in solid blue color. Any problem here, students?
No, sir.
No, sir.
All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So dear students, this chapter is completed. Okay. Chapter is completed. Now I am asking from everyone, open chapter 1, objective type questions A and B I will ask. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, dear students.
Okay, sir.
So everyone open chapter 1.
Yes, sir.
All of you opening?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So chapter 1, number system, objective type questions. First year given, octal number system needs blank space binary digit to represent a number. What answer? Answer is 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any problem here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Those who are not written, write down. This is the question and objective types answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Second, in hexadecimal number system, D represents 13 decimal number. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Third, in octal number system, decimal value 8 will be represented as 10.
Yes, sir. हो गया.
Represented as 10. Next, in binary number system, we use 0 and 1 digits only. 0 and 1 digits
Sir, हो
only.
गया.
All of you written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next, early man used to count with the help of pebbles, fingers, toe, stones, and sticks, etc. Okay.
हो गया.
All
Yes,
of you
sir.
written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Yes. Next. The technique to represent and work with number is called number system. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Called number system. Next. True false. Next, true false students. In binary number system, the base is 2. It is true.
Yes,
What
sir.
answer?
True.
Yes,
True.
Second questions. Octal numbers are counted by using a space between the fingers rather than using the fingers is true.
True.
Yes. Third answer.
False.
Third answer.
False. False.
1 minute. First true, second true. Page number 15. Page number 15. True, false. First true, second true, and third here. In hexadecimal number system, we can use 17 symbols or digits. What answer?
False. False.
Okay. Yes. So we are using 16 now.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
A, B, C is a valid hexadecimal number.
True. True.
True. Very good. Very good, friends. The base of octal number system is 16.
False.
false,
Yes. Good. What is the base of octal number system?
8.
8.
Yes. Good. Very good, student. Next year given 11001 is an invalid decimal value. What answer?
False.
What answer?
False.
It is false because a 11001 is a valid decimal value and valid binary value also. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Here both are valid. Okay. But here given invalid means incorrect. Okay.
yes, sir.
Yes. Multiple choice questions. First year questions. To convert a decimal number to octal numbers repeatedly, divide the number by 8 till we get remainder as
0.
what answer? 0. Very good. Second, what answer?
Binary.
Third,
Oh, decimal.
fourth, four का भी 1110. Okay.
Yes, sir.
5. DAB is a hexadecimal number system. That means C answer. D 14 and 11 is B. Okay. Okay, dear students.
Okay, sir.
Okay, 6 number questions. In binary subtraction, 1 is subtracted from 0. We
Reminder.
Not
Reminder.
remainder. Borrow. We will take borrow na. Borrow one from the left side digit. Okay. एक पैसा लेते हैं ना.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Answer is given in page number what? Page number 12 here. Go in binary subtraction. Given.
Yes, sir.
Any problem here, students?
No, sir.
No, sir.
तो आप लोग चैप्टर
No,
कल
sir.
इसको कंप्लीट करके रखिएगा, कल पूछेंगे. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्लास
Okay,
आई
sir.
विल आस्क.
Yes, sir.
यस. एनी प्रॉब्लम हियर?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
ओके. थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Sir.
Next, to take third chapter complete questions of chapter 8. Okay. Hello. Everyone, write down homework. Okay. Thank you.
भास्कर, ये भास्कर, कंप्यूटर क्लास खत्म.
हाँ.
अब नेक्स्ट क्लास. हेलो.
हाँ.
नेक्स्ट क्लास कौन सा है?
क्या? मैथ.
अगला क्लास कितना बजे से?
10.
चलो ठीक है तब. बाय बाय.
ओके.